Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am back with a haul, Stitchy Kindness, and RAK video. I tried to do it on my update video, cross-stitch update video, but it was too long and it kept cutting off my camera, so I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. I have quite a bit to show, so please sit back and relax if you enjoy these type of videos. Okay, the first thing that I want to show is some wins, or a win. The first one that I want to show is from Christine from Special Crafts and More, Special Crafts, C-R-A-F-T-S and More, here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to her or you don't know about her channel, please go check her out. She's been around for quite a while, and let's spread some of the Flosstube love. So please go check her out. She sent me this really pretty card. And I had won a giveaway from her, and I had won this Pattern of the Month series, and they're from Stony Creek, but I love snowmen, and so these were right up my alley. Very pretty patterns. Very pretty patterns. And then I also, as part of the giveaway, was this real sparkly Ada. And it's really cloudy. I don't know if you can even see the sparkle. But yeah, it's really pretty, sparkly Ada. And I think I'm going to do one of the snowmen that I won from her. I think I'm going to do one of those on this. It has like blues, pinks, little bit of like tan, gold color in it. So thank you so much, Christine. I appreciate it. Beautiful patterns. And she also sent this package. After I had told about the Stitchy packet, the Stitchy carousel package being lost, she got a hold of me and said that she'd like to send some stuff for me to put in the Stitchy carousel that I will be sending off this week. And so because of that, I haven't totally decided what I'm going to put in there yet. I'm not going to show what's in it in this video. On my next one, whatever I decide to keep and I don't use for giveaways or anything, then I will show you then. But full. Thank you so much for your thoughtfulness in helping out, Christine. Okay, the next Stitchy Kindness that I got is from Kerry in Stitches. Please go check her out as well on YouTube. I love her, her videos. Let's also continue to spread the Flosstube love around. And yeah, go check her out and subscribe if you haven't. She sent me this really pretty card, and she was doing a pattern giveaway. And I live by the ocean, about 20 minutes away from the ocean, Pacific Ocean. And this is what I won. That is so appropriate. And it's so pretty, bright, beautiful colors. So, that's what I won from Kerry, K-E-R-R-Y, in Stitches. Thank you so much, Kerry. I appreciate it. It's a beautiful chart. Okay, now I'm going to do haul. I only have two things. I got these off eBay, and as you know, I like Dritz kits. I found that out. And I was looking on eBay and came across one called Calico Cat Hazel. It's a 5x7 on 14 count. And here it is. Is that not the neatest thing, the patchwork? Love it. So I've got me a new Dritz kit to work on. Very pretty. I love that. Oh, and the colors. Really pretty. Really pretty colors. Okay. And the last one I got from eBay is from Heirloom Treasure, and it's called Mice Stitching. I love that. When I seen that, it was like, I knew I had to have it. It says, I heart cross stitch. They have a hoop. They're using a needle. They got the scissors, the floss, the bobbins. Then they have some floss on the thread or on the spool. And they are working on a cross stitch. Love it. I had to have it. This is on 14 count Ada. Look at the colors. This is going to be so bright. And so I got that. Had to have it, couldn't pass that up. Okay, the next thing that I want to show is from Christine, or Calico, as she's known on YouTube. She got a hold of me and said that she had been to a thrift store. They have a thrift store there in Colorado that is nothing but crafting supply, or crafting, like scrapbooking, knitting, crochet, cross stitch, needlepoint, you know, just that. It's all that. It's all it is. And she said she had found some patterns and she thought of me, so she wanted to send me some. So what she sent me was Lizzy Kate's. So I got a Lizzy Kate Happy Hoppy Easter. I got Lizzy Kate St. Patrick's Day. I got Lizzy Kate Home is Where Our Story Begins. I got Here Comes Santa Claus. And then I got a Bent Creek, The Villa. I got Autumn Cornucopia from Twisted Threads. And I got another Lizzy Kate Hop Squared. And then I got a Lizzy Kate called Welcome All Seasons. And she knew I liked Lizzy Kate patterns, and I appreciate it, Christine. Thank you. And then she also sent these kitty stickers for my scrapbooking layouts. And I have a lot of cat pictures, so this will definitely come in handy. I don't know if you could see them very well. There you go. And then she sent these that says pet shop and just different animals. And I was thinking, my brother owns a pet shop in Colorado, and I was thinking honestly about doing some layouts of his store and of him and his store and all that, and some of these would be perfect for those layouts. So couldn't have came at a better time. Love them. And she sent me this card. Isn't that card pretty? So pretty. And that's the inside. Really pretty. And then last but not least, when she was showing her project bags, I had mentioned that I really liked the peacock one, that I love peacocks. And so that is what she sent me. A peacock project bag. Is that beautiful? So beautiful. And it's the see-through kind. And here's what the inside looks like. Love it. Love this. Thank you so much, Christine, for these items. They're all beautiful. I appreciate that you were, that you thought about me and was wanting to send me this stuff. I love all of it, and thank you so much. And now I have a question for you guys. If you guys know of any good kits or charts, patterns that have peacocks on them, please leave the name and company and all that down below in the comments. I'm really wanting to do a peacock. I would like to have it where, the tail is coming out with the eyes. So please let me know. Or if you guys have stitched one, what you like, so on. Just put them down in the comments below, and that would help me kind of dig through all of the peacock patterns that are out there. Okay, so another RAK that I got is from Stitching by Lantern Light. She's been on YouTube for quite a long time as well. So please, if you have not subscribed to her or checked out her channel, please go do so. She's probably been around it almost as long as I have. And she has a variety of things on her channel. It's not just cross stitch. She's kind of like me. She does different things. So please go show her the Flosstube love. Check her out. Subscribe. Anyway, she sent me, look at that, a peacock card. That is beautiful. Love it. So she sent me a card. And what started this was she had did a giveaway for an embroidery kit that she was not going to be doing. And I used to do embroidery, and I really liked it. So I told, I put down that I would do it. And it had been started right there in the middle. So I won that. And it already came with all the floss, everything was ready to go. So that is good. I just now have to figure out if I'm going to incorporate it into my rotation somehow or what. But along with that, she sent other things. And she said I could, keep what I wanted. And so I'm not going to show all of it because some of it I'm going to probably be doing for giveaways. So the things that I know I am going to keep is what I will show. They got the Designer Collection alphabet book. That's always good to have, the alphabet books. Lizzy Kate, Think Spring, perfect. Dimensions, Peaceful Countryside, love that. Bless Our Home with Happy Hearts. Me and my mom are going to work on this together. I cannot sew for anything. She can sew, so I told her I'd do the cross stitch, she could do the pillow. So we're working on a project together. Ornament Addiction, I had to keep that one. Perfect for all of when I do my big projects. Here's another bumper chart book. Be keeping that as well. Aleene's Creative Living magazine. It's $19.99. And this cow, so cute. Love that. Okay, let me see. And I think that was all of what I was going to keep. The rest of it I cannot show because I will be doing giveaways with the rest of it. So thank you so much, Michelle. I appreciate your generosity. I appreciate that you were thinking about me to send this stuff. It does help out with my giveaways. And thank you so much for the embroidery kit. I will be starting it. I just have to figure out how I'm going to work it. So thank you so much. Okay, let me see. I think that might be it. I think that's it. So that was my haul, my wins, giveaway wins, and my Stitchy kindness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care.